So we started Special Olympics in 2014, and right away I was thrust with the challenge of, I had some athletes that joined in. Now we have over 100 athletes in the program. But at the time I realized that we needed to have some money to fund the programs. So in my fundraising efforts, I was introduced to Jimbo Holloway, whose son William was in our program. And he introduced me to Hannah Martin. We were doing a fundraiser, a big duck race at that time in Seaside, and she wanted to help out, so we decided to do a birthday party. She did a birthday party every year, and we decided to take that birthday party concept and do a preview party for our duck race. And we had such a successful run with that party that the next year we decided to do the party again and made it bigger, and now that's what's turned into La Lumiere. So every year it gets bigger and the party gets more well known, and it's a great source of funds for the program.